bolts are rotted out. I don't even know. I might just have to cut those. I won't have to cut anything. As soon as I put the channies on the bolts, they completely disintegrated. So I'll be able to pull this right up. These tiles were already loose. This is all right. Looks like they double stacked a flanged wax, which is not ideal.
We got it on what's called? Y'all want to watch for a story?
Maybe not. Maybe it's just one. I don't know.
Oh, it's good.
All right, that was a double stacked. This flange is fine. It's cast iron. It's one of those, it's the ones that have the rubber right here, and then you tighten the bolts and it clamps onto the pipe's ABS. But that's kind of starting to come up, but that should be okay. That won't be that big of a deal. The height is okay. It's just kind of flopping around in the wind. And this floor is extreme. This whole room goes this way. Put an extra thick on here. Reset the toilet, it'll be all right. All right, this is really on level. I couldn't get those tiles to go back. I mean, all the tiles around here need to be fixed. So I'm just going to get some white silicone and I'll just fill it in. Because they're not really tripping on it. They just want a toilet that's not going to rock. I'm going to shim it. And then I'm not going to use Lexel today. I'm going to use white silicone. Jeez. That's really bad, dude. I'm about to stack them. Really? Had to stack them on this side, one here and one here. It's flat in the back. And then there's one right here. I'll put another one here. And it's pretty much flat back there. I wish you could see. Can you see the toilets just like this? This whole floor needs to be redone. Crack right here. All right, there you go. Really cocked the heck out of it. I mean, that looks, I don't know. It's okay, I guess. It'll be fine. I'll get them through for a while. It's like, what am I gonna do? I'm not gonna sit here and repair your tile. So, but this thing will be, it's not gonna move now. It's shimmed, caulked. It's just like this floor is so messed up, dude. This is South LA. It's kind of a lower income area, and a lot of the landlords don't really keep up the maintenance on the house and don't want to spend the money. So it's like, all right, well, it looks all right. It'll be fine. Look at the size of this tank. This sucker looks like it's 5 gallons, bro. Dang. Looks fine. You really can't even see the tiles over there. The only time you're going to see the tiles is if you're down low, like I was. I mean, even if you step right here, it really isn't your focal point. I hate it, but what else am I going to do? You know what I should probably do? They make colored grouts that come in silicone tubes, or tubes that are similar to silicone. Maybe I should carry a little bit of grout for when stuff like this happens. The only problem is the grout it comes in 2 colors that I've seen. It's like a white and a brown, or darker. So I mean, it's gonna look kind of similar, to be honest with you, if I was to use grout, because I would likely use a white grout, and I don't know, you would still be able to tell if something's kind of up on this side. But whatever. The thing that matters is this is not going to move, trust me. It's not going to rock this way. What's up with this? It hasn't stopped running. But, alright, that's it.